Welcome. In today's video, we'll show you how to make your Instagram account public. If you want your posts and stories to be visible to anyone, not just your followers, this is a simple process to change your privacy settings. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to make public. Step 2. Once you're in, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. On your profile, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. This opens up the settings menu where you can manage your account. Step 4. Under the Who Can See Your Content section, tap on Account Privacy. This is where you control who can view your posts and stories. Step 5. To make your account public, simply turn off the Private Account option. By doing this, your post will be visible to everyone on Instagram, even users who don't follow you. And that's it. Your Instagram account is now public, and anyone can see your content. It's a great way to increase visibility if you want to grow your audience or share your posts with a wider group. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Instagram tips.